Just got another order for White Spot. Let's go! Man, I really need some Vessies. You guys know Vessies? It's a Vancouver sneaker that's waterproof. Please like and subscribe and support the channel so I can get some Vessies. My feet are already feeling wet. All right, let's go. White Spot. Alright guys, if you guys find the video helpful, please do like and subscribe. And feel free to leave some comments with any questions or ideas for videos you guys would like to see. I'm happy to hear what you guys have to say, and I'm happy to help.
Is connected successfully.
Alright guys, I'm home, and pretty much I started around 4:16 and I ended around 10:20 something, but let's say 10:16. Let's just make it 6 hours, because I actually did go to Canadian Tire to buy something, and then I went to get gas as well. So yeah, let's just say it's 6 hours to make it simple. So let's check the app and see how much money we made on a per hour basis. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. If you guys found the video helpful, please do like and subscribe. It really does help out the channel. And if you guys got any questions or feedback, please do leave them in the comments. I'm happy to see what you guys got to say. Other than that, happy driving, safe driving, and have the best day ever. Peace.